Hi, welcome back to Sparkling Glue. So glad you're here. So I came up with a really fun little flip envelope design. And listen, somebody may have done this before. I don't know, but I don't remember seeing it. And I kind of started thinking about it when I was falling asleep. So if someone else designed this, I apologize. I'm not giving credit to you, but it is a fun little design. So and I'm sure someone somewhere has made it. They've made everything, right? But okay, so it's a regular envelope, but then we're going to add a little element to it. So here's the envelope. And we've made these before, but we'll make it together. And then what we're adding is this extra little flip pocket onto the envelope that you cut out from when you fold it. And it makes pockets. So you have all these pockets, and then on the back you have pockets. And then the way it attaches, now it's a corner pocket. So it's a flip. So that's just one way to do it. This one, I cut 3 different sizes and then layered them. So you can make like a cascading envelope flip pocket, and then you have all these, then you have double pockets here and inside. So that's kind of fun. So the main size I'm using is a 6x6, but I've gone up to an 8x8 and it works. This one is an 8x8, and this is when I first was just kind of playing with it. So I glued it on the front of a piece of cardstock, and it's larger than that. I don't know if I like it larger or where I like it inside smaller, but it's an option. You can put it on the outside. Then I added a second one over it, but you see how you have all the pockets. And then you have 2 inside that flip. So you could really just do whatever you want with this, or just glue it into a journal or make a card. Um, this one I did a little notch, which I'm not sure I'm crazy about or not, but could have just been the size of the notch I did. But you have all these pockets, and then this is your flip. So let me show you how I did it. We're going to do it with a piece of white cardstock. So the beginning is probably an envelope you have seen before. So you're just going to cut out a square. This one's 6x6, but again, any size you want. I went down to 4x4 as well. And fold just to make your triangle, right? The 2 corners are meeting exactly. Open it up, fold in your bottom corner, and we're going to cut this piece off. And I'm going to do it with a scissor, but it does come out straighter if I use my cutter, but up to you guys. And I'm cutting that off. Okay, fold your piece back up, and then you want to fold in your 2 sides. And you kind of want them to be the same size so it lines up here or close. And then press down. And then you're going to open this back up, and you're folding this side in and press down, and this side in and press down. Okay, so that's what we have. And now you're taking this fold here and folding it backwards. Okay, so we have it like this. You can turn over and fold up. And what you have now is a 2-sided envelope. So you have your inside here and then here. Now, take your little piece that you just cut off, and if you're using pattern cardstock, which I'll show you with that too, the piece is gluing right here. I don't know if you could see it with the white, I'm sorry. So here, let me put a drop of ink on that. I know it kind of blends in, but you're just gluing this piece right on, so it lines up with your fold line and the top of the envelope. I'm using art glitter glue, so you can you're gonna just glue right up the side right here. And then go ahead and place it down so it lines up with your envelope. If it doesn't, you can always trim it, and now all you're going to do is put glue down either side of the pocket part of the envelope and fold up. And so what that did is it glued this in even better. And now just fold over. And, you just want it to lay how you want it. So I'm using copy paper for this. What I enjoyed the most, or what worked the best, I found, is not a little thicker than copy paper. I don't know the thickness of this cardstock, but it's, I think it was from Hobby Lobby, and it's just single-sided. And that was the easiest. The thicker cardstock, which we're going to do as well, is a little harder, but it also comes out pretty nice. So, and there you go. You have this, and then you're just going to glue this down, and you have a flip and a pocket. Okay, so let's try it again with a piece of pattern cardstock. And just choose, we're doing white on the inside, but you can pick which way you want it. And it works out okay if it's just single-sided too. So you're folding up, open it up, fold your corner up. We're going to cut that piece off. Okay, put it to the side because we're going to use it. Fold your piece back up, and now fold your two sides over until you feel like they're lining up kind of nicely. Push down, and you can use a bone folder to get better creases if you want. You're going to open it back up, and on your crease line here, you're folding one side and then the other. Okay? And then this just gets folded back. And now you have your little envelope. Okay? And then you're going to take your piece and line it up where it meets the top of the angle, and then just put some glue up the side. And put it on. And then just add some glue to the bottom, the sides, excuse me, of your pocket. And just fold it so it lines up nicely. And you have your flip. And you can ink or decorate or whatever you want to do. And let's see if I just have, so just a piece of paper, I'm folding it. The way I measured mine is I about doubled the size of whatever size envelope you end up using. So for these on the 6x6, I went ahead and I cut this at 7 and folded it in half, and did this, I think it was by 4.5. But just measure your little envelope and just make your paper a little bigger. And then all you're going to do when it's not glued down to your paper is you're going to put glue just like you're making a corner pocket. So on the bottom and up the side. And then pick what corner you want it on or where you want to place it. and then just push down. And now you have your envelope with all your pockets plus your corner pocket, and it's a flip. And you can make this a booklet or a single page. And so they're kind of fun, and I just thought I wanted to share that with you. I made this with, I think House of Roses, this is called. So I folded a little card and I did an envelope. And also I want to show you, if you do a white envelope and you want to decorate it, so this is 6 by 6. I cut out a 4 by 4 square and then cut it on the diagonal. And then you can add it to your pockets. You can add it to the top. So you can decorate with different cardstock if you only have, if you don't have double-sided, or you just want to use a solid or anything. So you can have a lot of fun adding. So just make your square smaller than your size of your envelope, and just test it out. You know, you might like 2.5 size better, or a little under 2. So it just depends. But so with double-sided cardstock, we're going to just do the same thing. It's really easy. Fold your side up. Fold your little corner, and we're going to cut this. Fold back up. Put your 2 sides in, and now this cardstock's a little thicker. And push down. And I am going to use this because it is thicker. Can't get it to lay flat. Okay, there we go. And now open it back up. Fold one side in. Fold the other side in. And fold this back. Turn it over. Look how cute it is with the double-sided cardstock. And then when you're laying this out, just see which way. There's not a lot of like, you don't have a lot of choices because of the angle. But I think, yeah, so you could do it on 2 sides. So you can pick which side you want which way you want it to be. And you're just going to put glue again down the side that you want glued on. And line it up. And make sure it doesn't go past your fold score line here. And then just put glue on the sides of your pocket. Fold up. And I don't know if you can see because I didn't cut straight. So that's why it's better, or for me, when I use the cutter on that. But and then you're just going to fold this over to make your little flip. And now we have 2 that I made, and we can glue them in. So just put glue on the bottom and the side. And like I said, you could just put it on a journal page, but I'm going to add it right to this. And you have a pocket here, a pocket here, you have here and here. Flip this over, you have a nice size roomy pocket here. And then the second one, this is up to you. You can put it on the other side. You can add it right on top of this because they're the same size. Remember, so when I did this, one of them, I don't know where, oh, here. So these were 6x6, 5x5, 4x4. So, but these are the same size, and so you can still do the same thing. Anyway, I hope you liked that. I thought it was just kind of fun. I didn't do any real measurements, cutting guides, because I think it really matters. Just depends on what size you want to cut it. Just remember to make it a square, and whatever size square you want to make, it all works. Anyway, thanks for crafting with me. Thanks for stopping by my channel, and I hope you have an awesome day. Take care.